Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button with show grid lines. By just one tap here we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, so let's stay on this. And in the camera preview we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery to see it, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the right corner, then tap on this button. So for now, they are turned off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.